Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies easy. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and lining a baking sheet. Cream 1 cup butter with 1 cup sugar until light, then add 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons vanilla. Fold into 1/2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 cup chocolate chips. Scoop 2 tablespoon portions and bake until edges are golden and centers set. Keep things straightforward with a few dependable tricks that make baking stress-free. Always measure ingredients accurately and avoid overmixing after adding flour to keep cookies tender. Chill scoop dough for 15 minutes to reduce spreading and intensify flavor. Use parchment paper to prevent sticking and simplify cleanup. Bake with a single sheet in the center, rack for even heat and consistent results every batch. Experiment with easy swaps that change your cookie personality. Stir in nuts, dried fruit, or a teaspoon of spice to tailor sweetness and texture. Try brown butter instead of regular butter for a nutty depth that elevates simple dough. Adjust chocolate proportions to match preference, using more chips for a gooier center or fewer for a cakier crumb. Small tweaks yield big flavor differences without extra effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.